direction.
Future. Factory.
Our factory makes cars.
Our fuck.
We have worked together. Have. We are painting a house this afternoon. Painting. Afternoon.
The new factory will open. Factory. Battery. Factory. Painting.
I have worked at this restaurant for 19 years. I have always enjoyed cooking for people, and now I do it every day.
Fixing. This is our factory. We make cars here. My job is to make the car doors. I have worked here for 15 years.
She has worked at that factory for a year. Painting houses is my main job.
She volunteers at hospital. He has worked there for 19 years. James volunteers at the library. She volunteers at a hospital.
Не збагну я вас, люди.